Hi there, today's read aloud is The Best Season by Nina Cruz. Before we begin reading, please go ahead and make your prediction. Remember, when you make a prediction, use the title, The Best Season, and the cover to help you make the best possible prediction that you can. Alright, let's begin our picture walk. Remember, I'm not going to talk through all the pictures, I'm just going to go through the different pictures to see if there's anything that we can spot that we might need to talk about later. Here's a snowman. Remember the text features we've been focusing on? Here's some photographs. Notice right here the snow outside. Looks like a different season on these pictures. This little girl looks like she's at the beach. This little boy is roller skating. They're having a picnic. Looks like they're having a good time. Oh, two different seasons right here, or that's what it looks like. Okay, before we begin reading, I want to ask you a question. What is your favorite season? Okay, just go ahead and pause for a moment, think about it, and think of why that season is your favorite. Okay, let's begin reading. Oh, I'm sorry, one more thing I want to go over. So we've been learning about opinion writing, persuasive writing. So opinion writing or persuasive writing tells an author's thoughts, beliefs, or ideas about a topic. So what I want you to do is look for reasons that support the author's opinion, okay? The word because, which tells you that a reason is being given, okay? So just try to keep those things in mind. A year has 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. But which season is the best of all? Winter is the best season. I love it. Notice how they changed the word best right here. I love winter because the weather is cold, ice sparkles on the trees, the wind makes my nose cold. Cold winter days are great for ice skating. Winter is the best season because it snows. The snowflakes look pretty as they fall. Snow covers cars and houses and trees. It is fun to sled. It is fun to make snowmen. I like winter because it is a time to rest. Winter days are short. The sun sets early. Winter nights are perfect for hot chocolate and reading books. It is cozy and warm. Those are good reasons to like winter. What about summer? I think summer is the best season. Here are my reasons. Summer days are sunny. The sunny flowers grow. Trees get leafy and green. Butterflies and birds fill the sky. Sunny days make me smile. Summer days are beach days. The sand is hot, the water is cool. We can make sandcastles. Summer days are outdoor days. There are many good games we can play. We can jump rope and play tag. Warm summer days are perfect for roller skating. I like summer because the days are long. Summer days slip into summer nights. At sunset, the sky turns red. Fireflies dance in the air. It is fun to stay outside on summer nights. We can eat ice cream and strawberries. I just love summer days and summer nights. Every season can be fun. What is your favorite season? Winter? Summer? Remember that question I asked you earlier? What is your favorite season and why? Well, now's the time. If you want, you can pause. You can pause and maybe raise your hand if you're at school and share your favorite season and why. Or if you're at home, maybe you can talk to an adult or sibling or grab your favorite stuffed animal and tell them your favorite season and why. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's story.